Hello everybody. You can see the camera here. So we're gonna start the long list of requests. I didn't expect so many, but that's good. It gives me a goal to get through these, right? So just quickly, because first I gotta start streamlining my videos, making them a little quicker than normal. I gotta stop talking so much is what I really gotta do. It just takes forever. It takes hours to load these on YouTube, and I actually got pretty good upload speeds, but it's still just forever. So we're gonna streamline that. Second, I just want to make a quick note about all the requests that are coming in on that request video. I will get to all those comments, but I'm gonna work on all the old ones first. I've got about 20 or so songs to get through, or not to get through, but to learn. And then once I finish those, then I will start at the first comment, and I'll work through the comments as they come in. First come, first serve basis type of thing, right? Just another quick note. You guys are requesting good songs, but you got to remember this is a Merlin. We only got 3 strings, and we got half the frets. So take it easy on some of the song requests. Alright, so this one was requested quite a while ago. Daddy's Hands by Holly Dunn. I haven't played the song in years. I used to play it all the time on the guitar, and I just figured this out about 20 minutes ago, and it's just one of those songs I used to play so much that when I started, it came back to me pretty fast. I hope all the requests go this quick. Alright, so we got D, open, 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 and variations. We got A, 1 open 1, we got B minor, 2 1 open, we got G, 3 1 open, D, A, and then down the line, once we get to the chorus, we'll have an F sharp, 2 2 2, and we'll have an E, 1 1 1. That should be all the chords, and then we do the high G with add-ons to it, right? If you've watched past videos, you know all this already. I don't know if I'll keep doing the chords, but we'll see how long it takes to get through videos with it still going on and me talking less, which I gotta start doing right now. Okay, so for the most part for the song, okay, the first and second line, we've got melody, and then the second and fourth line, we have just chords. And actually, this is what I'm working off of. You can see all the chords there. The only difference is at the end of the chorus, we don't quite, well, we kind of do that. Alright, so like I said before, you can find these chords anywhere. Alright, so for the intro, we're doing the last line of the chorus. There was always love in Daddy's hands. Again, I don't sing. Okay, so we will work up. So D. So we walk it up right on a D. There was all G, D, A, open D all the way. Okay, so that's how we start it, and that's how we end the chorus as well, and that's how we end the song. It works for everything. Alright, so the verses. So it goes verse, chorus, chorus, ends. So we're just going to go through one verse and one chorus because everything else will be the same. That's the first line. I remember A. Next line, B minor, G, D, with a little bit melody on that D. So B minor, G, So chorus, that last part. Basically, you're just to slide 1 to 2. So that's the first 2 lines. Third line. Same as the first line. The last line is different. G, D, A, with a little bit of add-on melody there, right? So G, D, A, that's the verse. Chorus. Okay, the chorus, we go a little bit more melody driven on these lines. We're going a little bit higher up. It took me a little bit to get this first part of the chorus, the Daddy's Hands part, because it sounds like, when I think back in my head, it sounds like there's 3 notes, or three different notes, but it's actually 2 notes. You just play one twice. So it took me a second. I had to listen to the song a few times. So start in a second, you're in D, second up to the 4th. And you hit the 4 note twice. So, and then work back or work back up, do the same thing. Same notes, I should say. So Daddy's hands. And then do that little kickoff to go into your F sharp, B minor, G. Those 4 chords, there's no melody. So we'll start the beginning again. Nope, sorry. So that's the first part of the chorus. Second part, so we end in the A on that first part, and then we do that transition. So the last line we already know because that's a chorus, but before that, so we end in the A. I'm done wrong, Daddy's hands. G, E. So we stay in E to do that walk up. So we end in E and then we lift off the first fret on the first ring. And then right back up. And then into the D with the add 2. So you gotta remember for the intro we did but since on the chorus it ends in an E, we're going to keep the E and do the same walk up, but while doing it as an E chord. Okay, so we're going to do, how much time have we got? We're at 9-10 minutes. Let's just do a quick all the way through, nice and slowish, and then I'll call it for this video. First request down. 50 more to go. Oh yeah. I should say on a quick note too. Sadly, all the requests I do have, not all of them can be done. I'm gonna look at every single one of them. I'm gonna see which ones do work and which don't, and then rearrange if I have to make it work. But they might not all work, just so you know. Alright, that's it. Practice patience, have fun. We shall see you guys next time.